Hello everyone, here is another quick tip for those who follow my contents. Today I bring you the loop regularizer script that you always ask me about in the videos. It's used to transform face into a perfect circles. Here is an example of how it can be used and how it is to use. Downloading it's very simple. Just go to the Google and type loop regularizer. Then just click on the first link, scroll down here and click to download. Once you have done that, when your 3ds Max open, take the downloaded file and drag into the software. Now go to the Customize tab and then to Hotkeys. Here's in Actions. Type loop regularizer and add a shortcut for the script. Mine is the Ctrl-Shift-R. You can type the shortcut here next to it and click to assign and done. And your 3ds Max now is configured to create perfect circles using only one shortcut. I'll do it here again. Sometimes it's created wrong rotation, but just adjust it and it's done. That was today's tip. See you next time. Bye!